Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, with Ethereum we had a little bit of a move up today, which could have counted here as a wave 3. And then I told you that so far we only have 3 waves, so it all depends on the support level, which if we wanted to have another chance to rally in a 5th wave here into this target area, which I'm gonna take out now because it didn't happen, yeah. Then it would need to hold this wave 4 support level, which it didn't. So when it broke below this yellow support, it was already a warning of weakness in the chart, and that the move up today was maybe just a bit of a fake out, unnatural spike. We also now, so we came down to low. So this cannot be a 1, 2, 3, 4 anymore, unless it's some kind of a weird diagonal pattern, which would be quite rare, and they are not, they're not great, and especially because we broke below the channel anyway, so we take it out. So it can't be a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 anymore. It would then most likely be, let me take that out. In my opinion, at the moment, from what I can see, is that this was really then this other pattern that I showed you in the previous video. Told you that if we don't hold wave 4 support and it's coming down, it has a good potential at least to be a WXY. And my reasoning behind this was, so it basically means it's a more complex correction, the WXY pattern. The WXY means that we have an ABC, probably here is also an ABC, and then an ABC down in wave Y. The reason why I found this not unlikely in the previous video, you will remember that I told you that wave C here of this decline, ABC, wave C was actually a little bit too short. Yeah, nothing invalid or anything, but you often get those WXY patterns when you see a flaw in the system, when there's some kind of an error in the pattern, and a C wave which is so short compared to the A wave is just rare. Okay, so I already told you when we came up here that if we don't hold wave 4 support, it could very well become a WXY pattern. Now the confirmation for me that this is WXY would happen if we break below the 1260 level, that swing low here. That would be the wave B low, A, B, C. And it would, to be honest, it would for me confirm to a degree that we're coming down here in this Y wave. Would that generally be a problem? Not really, not for the general short-term bullish outlook. And you will remember we've got a short-term bullish outlook here for Ethereum, in that we're moving up in a 5-wave structure to the upside. Wave 1 up, wave 2 down, and then wave 3 up. And in the wave 3 we've got another 1-2 setup here, which will then eventually also move up in a wave 3. And in that wave 3 we also have the next 1-2 setup. So each of these subwaves consist of 5 waves. Yeah. If we now zoom in again, so you can see that in this move down, we really only reached the top of my support box, the top of my trend reversal box, and the wave C was very short. So it's not unlikely to break down here, and that this was really just sort of a Saturday fake out or something. If we zoom in, you can also see that we now broke, and I go to the 15-minute chart, we broke below this ascending trend line. And that's an indication that, yeah, we might really be coming down unless we can reclaim this now, break above the 1275 level, then take out 1283. We might still rally in some kind of a weird, diagonal pattern, but these are not very likely or reliable. So it looks like to me that this is now coming down, quite an impulsive rejection, and now a retest from below. If this retest now is successful from below, and we break below the last swing low at 1268, then I think we have a good chance to come down to 1260, retest that, and break down into the support level again. Okay, into that support area here of the wave 2. So this is then eventually the area where I would expect it to reverse and move up in a wave 3. Let's take a look at the target for the Y wave. How to calculate that? Well, we take the length of the wave W here down to yeah, 1257. We go up to the high of the wave X, and an ideal target would actually be 1243. Be aware that anywhere in this box we could reverse, but the ideal target based on the length of the wave W, based on the length of the wave X, would be 1243. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.